We want to show you how to make 2 great nut milks, both almond and cashew. Obviously you can buy almond milk, cashew milk, hemp milk at the grocery store. But oat milk, if you're on that train. But there are tons of added things. There's added sugar, there are stabilizers, emulsifiers,
preservatives,
and it's expensive. So instead I like to make my own, and we're going to show you how to do that.
Cashews, they're so much softer than almonds that if you totally forget about soaking them the night before, you can literally put them in a little bit of water and soak them for 20 minutes.
So we'll start with cashew. We've had these soaking for a few hours and we've drained them, and we're just going to put them in the blender. Now here's where you can customize a little bit. So if you're like me and you like the vanilla latte, you can add a few dates, which we've been soaking in warm water for about 10 or 15 minutes. And you can adjust this to your taste. So I'm gonna do 2 dates. Just make sure you're taking out the pit. And then a little bit of vanilla. So I might do a capful.
It's probably like an 1/8 to 1/2 of a teaspoon.
And then just a little sprinkle of salt.
All right, now the amount of water you put in is another place that you can customize, just kind of like how you customize the sweetness and the vanilla level. So if you want a little bit thicker of a cashew milk, more like a creamer, you can put in less water. So maybe like 2 cups, say, or 2.5 cups.
Yep.
If you're using this for like a daily milk on cereal or just for drinking, or maybe it's the base of your coffee, you could add about 3.5 to 4 cups of water. But again, try it out, see what works best for you.
Blended it for about 1.5 minutes. It's probably excessive, but I like to make sure that there are no chunks at the bottom.
The other good thing about cashew is that because there's so much fat in it, it foams up really similarly to a regular dairy milk.
You can also use this in recipes as a dairy alternative. So I've even made things like beef stroganoff and done a version without any dates and without any vanilla, and then you just use that instead.
So sweet or savory, this is your go-to.
Okay, that's it.